Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you're having a fun time learning at home. I miss you so much, but I can't wait to do some awesome math with you today. Earlier this week, you helped Miss G figure out how many fireflies she needed to get to 10. We're going to practice making 10 again today, but with counters. And I need your help, so can you help me? All right, let's get started. So, you see on this sheet, we have a red line. And on each side of the red line, we have some counters and we have a blank box. We need to figure out how many more counters we need to add to make this group 10. So let's go ahead and count and see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. We have 8 counters. Now, we're going to keep counting from 8 until we get to 10, and that's going to help us figure out how many more we need. So say the last number with me. 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's count them all together and make sure we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So this group is 8, and this group is 2. So we know that the numbers 8 and 2, when we put those together, they make 10. Very good, boys and girls. All right, moving on to the next one. So over on this side of the red line, okay, we have another group of counters. And on this side, just like we did last time, we have to figure out how many more counters we need to make this group 10. Let's count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. We have 6 counters. Now, we're going to keep counting on from 6 to figure out how many more we need to make 10. So let's say that last number, which is 6, together again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's count them all to make sure we have 10 before we move on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. So we know that when we put the number 6 together and the number 4 together, we get 10. So 6 and 4 make 10. Awesome job. Now, if you look at the next one, it's a little tricky because we don't see any counters there. If we don't see any counters on this side of the red line, how many are there? Right, there's 0. So if we have 0, how many more do we need to get to 10? Well, that's what we need to figure out. So let's start with the number 0. Let's say that out loud, and let's keep counting until we get to 10 to help us figure out how many more we need. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just added 10 counters to the box. Let's count one more time and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number 0 and 10 make 10. Very good, boys and girls. All right, let's do one more together before you get a chance to do this on your own. All right, so the last one is the same thing we've been doing. We have a red line down the middle, and on one side we have a group of counters. And we need to figure out how many more we need to make 10. So let's count and see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a group of 5 counters. So we're going to keep counting until we get to 10. All right, so let's say that last number we just counted. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, did we say the number 10? We did, so we know we're done counting. So we have a group of 5 over here. Let's count and see how many we added to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So when we put 5 and 5 more together, we make the number 10. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now, I know that when we did all of these, we were counting on. So we started with the last number, we counted, and we kept counting. Now, you don't have to do it that way. If you want to start back at 1, because that's more helpful to you, then please do that. So let's do an example together. Let's do the one we just did. But let's start back at 1 when we're trying to figure out how many more we need. All right, so let's count this group one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 counters. Now, when you're trying to figure out how many more we need to get to 5, if starting back at 1 is better for you, then please do that. So let's do it together just to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 and 5 make 10. So you can either count on or you can start back at 1 and count them all together to find your answer. Thank you guys so much for helping me do this today. You were so helpful, and I'm so grateful for all of you. I hope you have an awesome time doing this activity on your own. Bye, boys and girls.